With the huge amount of available data, industries are now inspired to move towards data-driven decision making, and hence there's a huge demand for experts in the area of machine learning and artificial intelligence. The demand for these skills have been increasing by their widespread applications in the areas such as retail, banking, and manufacturing. Therefore, there's no surprise that these skills in these areas are more sought after. To remain ahead of the curve, technology professionals need to have the right combinations of knowledge and skills. Having a solid academic foundation in the core concepts of AI and ML, along with the deep understanding for their applications, will enable professionals to stay relevant in the rapidly changing ecosystem of the technology industry.
The BITS Pilani postgraduate program in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning is a 11-month program designed for technology professionals and can be pursued without taking a career break. The program focuses on building skills that will enable professionals for a rewarding career in this high growth domain. The program has a robust pedagogy and uses campus immersion, digital learning, faculty interactions, industry guest lectures, peer learning to enable technology professionals to master core concepts and skills needed for a successful career in this exciting domain. The program comprises of 6 courses and a capstone project. Each course is carefully designed to impart specific knowledge and skill set in the participants that are highly valued by the industry. Every week, participants will be provided with digital learning content such as videos and handouts developed by BITS Pilani faculty. Frequent interactions with the faculty through live online sessions will help reinforce the concepts learned. In addition, participants will work with their peers on assignments and projects at various stages to learn and apply core concepts. As part of this program, senior data scientists from the industry will be sharing their experiences of solving real-life machine learning problems. The program will begin with a campus immersion module, during which all participants will visit BITS Pilani campus to interact with faculty and the peer group. During this interaction, participants will take the first step in the program by understanding the program flow and picking up the analytical and implementation foundations that are required for machine learning and artificial intelligence.
Regression is a widely used statistical machine learning method, and this program starts with a course on regression. It will enable participants to have a deeper understanding of regression models, both from theoretical and implementation perspective. The lasso regression, the ridge regression, and the interpretability of the models will be also detailed in this particular course. Feature engineering is an important step to develop and improve performance of machine learning models, and this is the second course of the program. In this course, the students will learn different data wrangling techniques that help transform the raw data to appropriate form on which the machine learning models can be applied. This course enables students to identify and implement appropriate feature extraction and pre-processing techniques. The visualization techniques will also be taught in this course. The third course of this program is classification, and this course lays down a strong foundation on the algorithmic perspective of the popular classification algorithms, k-nearest neighbor, naive Bayes, decision trees, logistic regression, and support vector machines. The implementation details of these models, along with the tuning of parameters, will be illustrated. The ensemble methods, bagging, boosting, random forest would be taught. The interpretability of the predictive models will also be discussed.
The fourth course of this program is unsupervised learning and association rule mining. The goal of this course is to find natural groups or clusters that are present in the data. The clustering algorithms like k-means, hierarchical, and db-scan algorithms will be explored in this course. Hidden Markov models will be introduced for time series prediction. The market basket analysis will also be taught in this course to generate interesting rules from the transactional database. Text mining is the process of deriving high quality information from text, and this is the 5th course of the program. This course aims to equip students with adequate knowledge in extracting the relevant text data and skills to identify the patterns therein. This course covers topics like converting documents to vectors, parts of speech tagging, topic modeling, sentiment analysis, and recommender systems. Deep learning is an evolving subfield of machine learning, and this will be the 6th course of our program. This course starts with traditional neural network followed by sequential networks, convolution networks, autoencoders, and generative deep learning models. The implementation details of these deep learning models along with tuning of parameters will be illustrated in this course.
Towards the end of this program, there will be an 8-week capstone project jointly mentored by industry experts and faculty. This project is aimed at harnessing the concepts and algorithms that are learned throughout this program and applying them to solve a real-world data science problem. If you are a technology professional who is considering a career in the high-growth area of artificial intelligence and machine learning, or wanting to advance your career in this space, you should consider applying to BITS Pilani postgraduate program in AI and ML.